Hello. Thank you guys. I'm just here to say thank you guys so much for 51 subscribers or 50 plus subscribers. And again, thank you. And I really love you guys so much. And when I first saw the notification, I was like, I wa- I was so I don't know why, but thank you guys again so much for everything. And why do I kind of look good? Okay, anyways, thank you guys again for everything. And I don't know why you guys are hating on me on last video. It's my own opinion. I don't even have a partner. Oh God, here she comes. But anyways, thank you. Bye.